Okay, so first topic of revision 2. Yeah, I have prepared 4 questions for you. These are the 4 questions. First question is, evaluate the expression given below if a equals to 16 and b equals to 15. And the question is, a percent, that is called modulus operator, b, and double division sign called floor division, a. So these all means both the operators comes under arithmetic operators. You know very well, these both the operators comes under arithmetic operator. So this is the first question. Please try to solve this question and give answer in the chat box, because this is the revision. So start revision from chapter number 1. Chapter name is Python revision 2. So question is, a modulus b floor division a. So what is the answer after evaluating this equation? Give your answer in the chat box. Give your answer fast. Now Sachin gave answer, very good. Sachin, good. This is the correct answer.
सर क्वेश्चन बताना सर एक बार फिर से सर.
Speak in English only. Now question is this, evaluate the expression given below. If the value of a equals to 16 and the value of b equals to 15, find the value of this expression a modulus b floor division a. Give answer fast. If you don't know the answer, please write sir don't know. Then I will solve it. Sachin has given answer of question number 1 and 2. Like this type of question will come in MCQ also. Okay, MCQ or maybe one word answer, because answer will come in numeric form. So Google form check these type of question also. Very good. Harvinder also given answer. Very good. Any other? Kaushal, give the answer fast. If you don't know the answer of this question, please write in the comment in the chat box. Muskan, Shrey, Lokesh. Lokesh, these are the questions. So first question you have to solve. Evaluate the expression given below. A equals to 16 and B equals to 15. And the expression is A modulus B floor division A. Try to solve this question and answer you have to give in the chat box. Do fast. Can I explain this? Because you are taking lots of time here to solve this question. Okay, now I will explain. First one. Look here. A equals to 15. 16 is given. 1 6 16 is given, and the value of B equals to 15. This is given. Then question is saying that A modulus B floor division A. Then first of all, this value 16 will assign in variable A. Then 15 will assign variable B. After that, floor division, and then the value of A will assign in variable A. Okay, means 16 will assign here. Plus, minus, multiply, divide, modulus, floor division. All these operator comes under arithmetic operator category. When all the operators are same, then we have to follow left to right associativity. Means here we have to solve this question from left to right. So when we have to solve this, 16 modulus 15. In the case of modulus operator, it always gives remainder instead of quotient. So it will provide 1 because 15 1 ja 15, 1 is a remainder and 1 is a quotient also, but here we will take remainder. 1 is a remainder, then floor division and 16. When both the numbers are in integer, then the case of floor division always provide integer value in terms of quotient, not in terms of remainder, in terms of quotient. So when we divide this one from the 16, we will get 0 point something something, 0 point something like this. Okay, so finally it will give answer 0 instead of 0 point like this. Now solve this question in the Python software and you will get the answer. Question is A equals to 16, then B equals to 15. After that, A modulus B floor division A. Then C. Answer is 0. If you modify this equation like this, A modulus Wait, huh? Look this. Then it will give answer 0.0625. 0.0625. So difference between floor division and division is that floor division and division both will give answer in terms of quotient, but the difference is floor division carry only integer part, whereas division portion will take whole as a quotient. जैसे यहाँ पर आया फ्रैक्शन में 0.0625, so it will provide by the division operator, or floor division gives only this one. Is it clear? First question is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? It is clear? First one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do the second one. What will be the value of the expression 14 plus 13 modulus 15? What will the answer of this question? Sachin has given answer of this question. Don't worry. And please turn on your cameras, everyone. It's required. Very good. Dolly has given answer. Lokesh also given answer. Kaushal is given answer of this question. Harvinder, Vidya. Next is Sachin has given. Very good. So most of the students have given answer. Muskan, what is your answer? Write fast. Karthik, very good. Now Karthik, Kaushal, Lokesh, and only these. These three answers are correct. Kaushal का आंसर सही है, कार्तिक का सही है, and लोकेश का भी ठीक है. Remaining answers are wrong till now. Okay, look here. Second question is saying that evaluate this expression. Expression is 14 plus 13 modulus 15, like this. Here plus and modulus, both the operator comes under same category. Same means arithmetic operator, but according to the precedence, the precedence of this modulus operator is more than the arithmetic addition. Clear? So first of all we have to solve this one, then we have to do addition with 14. Whatever result we will get here, we add this result with 14. So after this means 13 modulus 15, we will get 15 as a remainder, because 15 0 ja 0, 15 0 ja 0, remainder is 13. So 13 we will get here, and 14 plus 13, then final answer is our 27.
7.
This is the right answer. Clear? See this with the help of Python software also. Now question is question 14 plus 13, 14 plus 13 modulus 15, like this. Look this answer is 27. Means first it solve this one modulus operator and then add the result with 14. So here we get result 13, 14 plus 13, final result is 27. Is it correct? Any confusion, please ask in this question. Anybody? Any confusion in this? Saransh, Sachin, Harvinder, Dolly.
No sir.
Good. Okay.
सर एक बार सर ऊपर वाला बता दो.
ऊपर वाला means first one.
Yes sir.
First one. First one, a equals to 16 is given. This is the value of a. Then b equals to 15. This is the value of b. Look, a modulus b floor division a. Here floor division a is given and modulus is also given. Look here, floor division and modulus both comes in the same category. So that time we have to solve this expression from left to right. So here the value of a is 16 and value of b equals to 15. So first you have to try to find modulus. So in the case of modulus, it will give remainder instead of quotient. Clear? So 16 modulus 15, it will provide 1 as a remainder. It will provide 1 as a remainder because 15 1 ja 15, 1 is a remainder. So from this we will get 1 as a remainder. You can check this also here, like a modulus b. The value of a is 16, value of b is 15. The answer is 1. Clear? And then floor division a. Floor division a means 1. This is the result of this a modulus b. Floor division a. So this time the value of a is 16. Value of a is 16. So in this case, in the case of floor division, it will provide answer in integer only. Means it will truncate whatever will come after the decimal. इसको हटा देगा, जो भी चीज डेसिमल के बाद होगी उसको हटा देगा and provide only integer portion. Integer portion means before the decimal point. So after that it will give answer 0 because actual answer जो आएगा इसका वो आएगा a modulus b division a. So due to this division sign, it will give answer in float. So final answer is our 0.0625. और जब यहाँ पर float division दिया था, so according to that it will hold only this one before the decimal, that is 0. Now it is clear?
Yes sir.
Okay. Next, third one part. Third one is, what is the value of 2 asterisk asterisk 2 asterisk asterisk 3? Give your answer. Lokesh has given this answer. Sachin has given answer. Kaushal has given answer. Harvinder. Muskan. Dolly, what is the answer of this question? Shweta, give the answer of this question. 2. This sign is called exponent sign. Huh? Exponent means power. 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. Now Karthik has given answer. So Karthik answers is correct. Saransh is correct. Then Kaushal is correct. Lokesh is correct. Only these 4 students has given correct answer. Very good. Dolly, correct answer. Now check this. 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 means this is the sign of exponent, means the sign of power. So both the signs are same. Here in between 2 and 2 there is a power sign. Similarly 2 and 3 in between there is a power sign. So when power sign is given between the operands, so it will evaluate from right to left instead of left to right. ये right से left की तरफ move करेंगे. So first of all we have to solve this 2 to the power 3, and then whatever result we will get, it act as a power of this 2. Now see this, when we solve 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 like this, so first it will solve this one. So 2 to the power 3, that means 8, and after that this 8 is a power of this 2, so means 2 to the power 8, result is 256. See this result is 256. You can check it individually. 2 multiply 3, that means it will give 8, and then 2 exponent 8, its result come here like this. If we change statement like bracket 2 multiply 2 then 3 like this, then it will solve first brackets. So this means 2 to the power 2, that means 4, and then 4 to the power 3, then final answer is our 64 according to this. Means because most of the students has given answer 64, so 64 will come in this manner if we put bracket. So bracket will solve first, and then whatever result we will get, it act as a base, and then this one is a power, and final result is 64. Now it is clear, Shweta, it is clear, because you have given answer 64. Many of the students have given answer 64, like Kalas 64, Muskan 64, Harvinder 64, Sachin also 64. Now it is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. Definition of this dynamic typing versus stable typing is, in static typing, a data type is attached with a variable when it is defined first and it is fixed. Now see here, suppose I am writing A equals to 19. That means this is called static typing. Static typing means here A is the value of 19, means the value of A is 19. That means A is a variable of integer type. Means during the assignment आपने बता दिया ये किस टाइप का है, तो this type is known as static typing. The definition is saying that a data in static typing, a data type is attached with a variable. So here data type is integer. So integer type is attached with the variable when it is defined first. So this time, this is the first time I am assigning the value of A equals to 19. So ये हो गया static typing. Now second case is dynamic typing. That is in dynamic typing लिखा means anytime we can change the value of A. Look here, suppose that I am displaying this value. Look, print this A, it display 19. Then suppose that A equals to hello world. Now I am assigning this
Double sort or insertion sort.
both the topics are given in this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Where
The second chapter.